Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic face-off between two grooming essentials. On the left, we have the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades, and on the right, we have the Braun Clean&Renew Refill Cartridges CCR. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's get right into it. The Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades are priced at $34, while the Braun Clean&Renew Refill Cartridges CCR are priced at $32. It's a close call, but every dollar counts, right? The Philips Norelco replacement blades claim to last up to 12 months with 3 blades, while the Braun Clean&Renew Refill Cartridges CCR suggest replacing the cartridge every 2 months. Who's the winner in this category? You decide. The Philips Norelco replacement blades are designed to trim, edge, and shave any length of hair, while the Braun Clean&Renew Refill Cartridges CCR offer optimal hygiene with their alcohol-based cleaning solution and refreshing lemon scent. Tough choice, folks. The Philips Norelco replacement blades can be used dry or wet with foam, even in the shower, while the Braun Clean&Renew Refill Cartridges CCR work with any Clean&Charge unit, giving you a fresh, clean, and hygienic shave every day. The battle of versatility is heating up. The Philips Norelco replacement blades power through even the longest hair and offer a subscribe and save option to save up to 15%. On the other hand, the Braun Clean&Renew Refill Cartridges CCR come with high-energy lubricants to maintain your shaver's best performance. Tough choice, isn't it? Based on online reviews, users highly recommend the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades for their longevity, smooth shave, and cost-effectiveness. On the other hand, the Braun Clean&Renew Refill Cartridges CCR are praised for their convenience, refreshing scent, and ability to clean and maintain the shaver effectively. And there you have it, folks. A close battle between the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades and the Braun Clean&Renew Refill Cartridges CCR. Both products pack a punch, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your grooming needs. Let us know in the comments which product you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for the product links. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and until next time, stay sharp and keep shopping smart.